Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is we got a little, little something right here. Quick unboxing. We did one yesterday, but I was like, hey, we'll do another. What we got again right here below me. Got it in the mail. The Kobe 6 ALLSTAR 2.0 or the Kobe 6 Sale, whatever you want to call them. We can just call them Kobe 6 Sale. Very nice colorway. You guys can see the stars that are on them. And again, we'll get into showing you all the details of these. Just a quick little in-hand review. These are straight from sneakers. I got lucky on a size 10, so I was pretty hyped about that. Just, pretty close to my personal size. Close enough to where I could wear them, you know what I mean? If I ever decided to do that down the line. But I'll just keep them all nice for a bit now and then, see what I end up doing with them down the line. But yeah, let me know how y'all are feeling about these in the comments, and let's get into it. And let me know if you copped recently. But if you want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Don't forget, let's try to 300 likes on this video. That's the normal goal that we always shoot for. You can check me out. My Instagram's down below. Always buying, selling, trading there. If you want, see anything got for sale on my story, any of the business I do, like with selling sneakers, things like that, hoodies. Let me know. There's tons of things. Shorts even, so let me know. And of course, us at Resell Vision down below. Don't forget the undermarket sneakers that we do every single day. You guys can see that. And of course, the Metallic 5 giveaway, which is going to be coming tomorrow or Thursday. So make sure you guys do not miss out on that. We're giving away a free pair there. And yeah, the early information we provide and other stuff like that. We're letting members know about stock numbers for these and the men's and grade school sizes. We let them know about the Metallic 5s a little bit before. So we're always doing stuff like that. Don't miss out. And we got some partnerships that are coming in this week or next week. So stay tuned. That's it. Let's get started. So getting into the Kobe 6 sale, y'all can see, right, just the regular Kobe box, nothing out of the ordinary here. And y'all can also see the size tag right there. Again, just my size 10. I don't know if that's going to focus. Maybe it will, but I mean, that's not like super important, you know what I mean? But aside from that, what we got with this shoe. So first things first, when you take them out the box, right? Shout out my cat for being so chill right now. She's just chilling on the bed over there. Usually she's like running around when I'm recording, right? Try to get my attention, but right now she's chill. So you guys can see they come with some extra white laces, even though they already have them on them. So they have an extra set of white laces and also some black laces right there, which I actually think those would work really well. I mean, you got a black swoosh on them. It's an all white sneaker. That you can't go wrong with that. You know what I mean? At least in my opinion. But y'all can also see some of those other details, right? Kind of the plate we got back there by the heel Kobe signature, which is on, which one is that on? It should be on it at least. Here we go, back here by the heel. It wasn't really showing because again, it's kind of see-through, so it's hard to see. But yeah, y'all can see that right there. It's on the heel of both the pairs, so that's pretty cool to see. And of course, the insole's on them, pretty regular, but y'all can see it's just the white Mamba logo, and then you guys can see it's on a black insole, so that's pretty cool. And yeah. Nothing too out of the ordinary. Y'all can see normal padding. When we take it here to the soles, right? Just, white and black. You got that carbon fiber plate right there. And then, of course, you got the Mamba logo right there. And you can see it's just on the white sole, black logo. That works perfectly well. Fits together really nice. So, yeah, and there's also a couple, cool portions on the sneaker I want to show you guys. So, first things first, you guys can see with the tongue tag right there. There's a little bit of a design going on. Hopefully that focuses, but yeah, you can see it's almost like a not a camo, but it looks like a snakeskin or something almost. You can see it's kind of like spots on it, almost matching what we got right throughout the sneaker. You can see there's the spots right there on the inside of the shoe, but if you flip to the outside of the sneaker, right, you can see it's the stars, because it's the ALLSTAR 2.0, so they put the stars right on the outside of both the pairs. But you flip right down there to the toe box, and you can see where it slowly starts shifting from the stars to just that regular kind of snake skin, or just scaly kind of theme, right? The same theme that we see on, again, pairs that are known very, very well, like the reverse Grinches and the Grinches. Now, one thing people have been asking me is, could this pair right here, right, could it do reverse Grinch or Grinch numbers down the line? And I do think it will be a valuable pair down the line. Probably one that's $350, $500 in the big sizes. I definitely think there is some value that is behind these, just for the fact that it's a white and black sneaker, very wearable, and it's on a popular model. I think those are two good enough reasons to why this sneaker could go up in price. Also, the fact that they only did like 38,000, or it was either like 35 or 38,000 on sneakers. There was not a lot of them, so understanding that, right, that's another reason that these could go up in price. But you know, it wasn't, I'm going to keep it a stack. It was not impossible to get these manually, right? It was hard, but you know what I mean? If you entered it enough places, the odds were pretty good compared to a normal hype release. So it was not impossible to get these, and kind of understanding that the prices have been dropping over the last couple days with pairs landing in hand, I do think it will take a bit longer for these to go up in price. But a great long-term hold in my opinion. You cannot go wrong with this colorway, and the fact is that they'll continue, you know, making more colorways on this style of model and this style of Kobe 6, right? And y'all can see the star right there by the toe box. That's very, very cool. But yeah, great long-term bet. I do think there are better ones out there right now as a long-term bet, like the Bread 85s, Travis Scott Medium Olives, Velvet Browns, etc. Like those will make quicker progress than these, but it's a hype model. It's a well-known Kobe sneaker. I think they'll do well over time. We have to see though. You know what I mean? It is always risky with some sneakers like this, but I don't feel like it's super risky with this one. You know what I mean? Like you can just go look at the Grinches and reverse Grinches, seeing how those have slowly headed up in price. This is pretty much that exact same style of shoe, not the same level of hype, but when we get to Christmas time, people will be looking for these. I bet you on that. So, yeah, I could see a little bit of a price rise then, for sure, in some of the popular sizes, like 10.5, 9, 11, 11.5, 12, 13, 100%. Especially like 13, 14, like there's just not many of those big sizes in this sneaker. But aside from, you know, showing y'all what they look like in hand, you can see some other details we got there by the heel. So, overall, you know, there's some nice stuff in the shoe. I cannot, I mean, I wasn't going to complain, but I cannot complain. You know what I mean? That's what I was going to say right there. Very nice shoe. I like how they look in hand. So we'll do some B-roll shots, but I want to first actually dive into like a quick little, you know, we did a full video like a few days ago recapping on the resale. So we'll do that very, very briefly. Then we'll do some B-roll shots because these are fresh in hand. I want to show you all them with some better lighting and, you know, just some of the other features close up. So let's just dive into the resale right now. We'll do that first. So as you guys can see, the screen recording is up and we're just on the size 10 right here. But if we flip off this, you guys can see right now what these are going for is about a range of $240 to $300. Fairly similar to what we saw a few days ago, but some of the other sizes were going for a bit more, like 10, 10.5, 11. Those were actually surging a bit past 350, but that showed you, right, the fact that these rose right after drop day a little bit. They have come back down in price, right, because more pairs have landed and come in and flooded the market. But the fact that they did rise in price a bit shows you the demand on them. It shows you that, hey, down the line, they'll probably be doing the same thing when there's less of them on the market again. You know what I mean? There's more pairs on the market right now, so the prices are going to be dropping. But once there's less again, the price will probably be going up because there's that demand on them. You know what I mean? I think they still have the lightning bolt symbol. Yeah, again, you cannot. Kobe 6, like, on this particular Kobe model, right, and this style of colorway, always going to be popular. Just there's people that are trying to, you know, collect the Grinches, reverse Grinches, and these. Or people that are just trying to, you know, get these for themselves and their son. There's so many reasons that people collect sneakers, right? But I definitely feel like this is one of those shoes that's a safe long-term bet for the fact that, you know, there's plenty of reasons to wear them. And, well, it's on a high model. So, you know, again, I'm going to keep repeating that. And, I mean, I feel like the best reason, aside from me repeating that it's on a high model, is the lower stock. They did under 40,000 pairs in sneakers, right? They did, I mean, go look at the Kobe 4 Philly, and I believe those rose in price a decent amount, or have already, right? When those dropped in 2023. Oh, I might be wrong on that. Don't knock me there. Hey, there's been a lot of shoes that have dropped since then. But those had 35,000 pairs when they dropped on sneakers, and they went up in price a decent amount. These have 3,000 more. I think they'll be heading up in price 100%, especially the grade school pairs. Only 8,000 of those dropped on sneakers, or maybe even less. I think it was 7,400. Yeah, I'll end the screen recording there, but these are going to do well over time 100%, especially the GS ones. I've actually got quite a few of the GS that I'm holding. So for these, I like them, and I'm just glad I got a pair for retail, man. Like, this is one of the first, like, hype Kobe's I've hit on sneakers for retail, and the fact that it's these makes it all the better. So I'm happy about it. But yeah, let's get into those B-roll shots. I promised y'all those, so let's do that. Anyways, guys, I forgot to record the outro, so sorry that we got the weird lighting and background here, but let me know how y'all are feeling about the Kobe 6 All-Star, man. Honestly, I'm a big fan of these. I'm glad that they've recently, or finally dropped, you know what I mean? We've known about them for a while, but sometimes it takes a bit for these sneakers to come out, you know what I mean? But we'll see them like a year before they actually happen. But let me know your thoughts on them. I think it's a very clean sneaker, especially for the court, you know what I mean? If you want to hoop in these, good option, you know what I mean? And it's definitely a slick one for the Kobe 6, you know what I mean? This style of colorway, right, for the reverse Grinches and Grinches, this is a good addition to that, you know what I mean? I'm curious to see what they'll do next. And I've heard there's an all orange version of these on the way, kind of a total orange one, set for holiday of this year. If not holiday of this year, then it's going to be 2026. Hopefully that comes to fruition, because an orange pair of these, now that'd be one I'd cop. That'd be one I'd need for the collection. Yeah, if you guys want more, subscribe and like, you know, below. Just trying to 300 likes. Let me not trip over my words. And again, you can check me out my IGs down below. Always buying, selling, and trading there. So feel free to check that. And of course, us at Resell Vision, the undermarket sneakers we do every single day, man. The Metallic 5 giveaway we got coming up. And hey, you know, just helping you hit more of those releases for retail, like these, you know what I mean? Posted the stock numbers, we pinged members on the release date, and we've actually been doing some of these undermarket, and we'll continue to do that. We'll do some, actually I'll try and get to that tonight, you know what I mean? So we'll try and do some big sizes too. We always know that people are, you know, want more big size shoes. But hey, Nike makes less of them, so, well, yeah. There's less of them out there, you know what I mean? But that's what I can say. Again, let me know how y'all are feeling. That's all down below the pinned comments. And yeah, let me know if you got lucky on this sneakers release recently. Excuse me. I'm lucky enough that I did happen to hit my size. Well, actually I took an L in my size. I re-entered for a size 10 and got them. So, hype about that. I'll see y'all on the next one tomorrow though. And let me know your thoughts on the Kobe 6 ALLSTAR 2.0. What the Kobe 6 said? Did you cop? See y'all tomorrow. Peace.